Welcome to the C tutorial guys. In this tutorial we will learn what are the arithmetic operators that we use in C coding and how to use them while writing the C code. So let's begin. Basically we have five types of operators: plus, minus, multiply, divide, and modulus, or we also call it as remainder. So let's see how we can use them. Here I'm adding a new file and I'm adding a file extension that is .c. So first I'm writing a comment on the top line by using two forward slashes, and I'm writing arithmetic operators. And these are basically the arithmetic operators. So first we have plus and minus. So let's see how we can use them in code. So here I'm including the stdio library, which is the standard input output library. We add this library before starting the code, and then we always add the main function. And here I'm writing int main, and in between these two curly brackets we write our code, and at the end of the code we write return 0. Okay, so now let's write the code for addition, which is very first arithmetic operator as well. So for sum we need two variables a and b. So I'm writing here a plus b, and at the end we always write semicolon because this is the syntax of the code. But before using these variables in C, we always have to define these variables first. So I'm here writing as int, and a is equal to, let's say, 7. We have to assign some value to a, and also we have to assign a value to b as well. And as you can see here, we are using another variable which is sum. So I am defining it as well, and I'm not assigning any value to sum in variable definition because we already know that sum is equal to a plus b. And now let's print the value of sum. So here I'm writing %d, which is the format specifier for the integer data type, and here I'm calling sum. So let's run this code, and as you can see in the terminal we have the value of a plus b. So 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. And now let's write the code for subtraction. So I'm here writing subtract is equal to a minus b. We have to define this variable here. So in variable definition I'm defining this subtract here, and in order to print the value of subtraction I am calling it here in the printf function. So let's run this code. As we know, 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So as you can see, this is 5. So that's how we use these two operators, plus and minus. And now let's see the rest of the arithmetic operators, which is multiplication, division, and modulus. So let's do the multiplication first. So here I'm writing the variable product is equal to a static b, which means a multiplied by b. And here I'm defining it first. So product is the variable in variable definition, and let's call it here in the printf function. Now let's run this code, and since we know 7 multiplied by 2, it should be 14, and we have 14 in the terminal. And let's write the code for division. So I am writing division is equal to a slash b, and here I have to define this division in the variable definition here. So I'm adding a comma, and I'm writing here the division. Now let's call this division in the printf function in order to see the output in terminal. And as you can see, it is displayed 3, but it should be 3.5 since it is the integer data type. So we have 3 and not 3.5. There should be a modulus of 1. So let's see how we can do that. So here I'm defining the modulus variable. Modulus is equal to a percent b colon, and let's define this modulus here in the variable definition, and let's call it here. And now let's run this code. As we know that 7 divided by 2, there should be one remainder. So as you can see, there is one remainder here. So that's how we use all of these 5 arithmetic operators in C. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video.